Here I have Samsung Galaxy S5 Neon. Let me show you how to take a screenshot on the following device. At the very beginning, let's open the screen that you want to capture. In my case, it could be the planner, and let's assume that I want to save the following screen. So all I need to do is use this combination: power key right here and home button. So let's hold down together those two keys. Let me show you. And as you can see and hear, the device just took a screenshot. So let me show you again. Let's hold down together power key and home button, and you just capture the screen. Now if you would like to share, edit or delete taken screenshots, you have to open the screenshot folder. You can do it by using upper bar and by tapping screenshot captured, or you may also accomplish that by using the gallery and by tapping the screenshot right here. So here you can share, edit, delete or do whatever you want with the following pictures. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.